14.4, estimate liquid volume. I can use standard units to estimate liquid volumes. I can also be precise in my work. The water bottle below has a capacity of about 1 liter. Estimate the capacity of the large bowl using liters. Use a 1 liter container and a large bowl to solve this problem. Solve this problem any way you choose. When you estimate and measure things, remember to be precise. What unit should you use to estimate the capacity of the large bowl? So if we do this into here, I think, and whatever you think. It could be 6 liters, it could be 4 liters. Whatever you think or whatever you measure at home could be your answer. After you estimate the capacity of the larger container, how can you use the 1 liter container to check the capacity you found for the large bowl makes sense? You could fill that water bottle back up and count how many times you can fill it. Count how many times you're filling it from the bowl. What metric units are used to estimate and measure liquid volume? What is the capacity of a pail? Capacity, liquid volume, is the amount a container can hold measured in liquid units. 2 metric units of capacity are milliliters and liters. A milliliter is about 20 drops from an eyedropper. This water bottle holds about 1 liter. What does the bucket hold? So choose an appropriate unit and estimate. 1,000 milliliters equals 1 liter. A milliliter is too small, so use liters. The pail appears to be large enough to hold several liters. Check that the estimate makes sense. Count how many times you can fill a liter container and empty it into the pail. The pail holds about 8 liters. Suppose the capacity of the pail above is given in milliliters. Is this number greater than or less than the number of liters? Use reasoning and the size of metric units of capacity to show how you solve. It would be much greater because we know 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters. So you're going to take 1,000 times 8. 8 times 1 is 8 and add the zeros. Susie made a large pot of soup for her family. The pot Susie used has a capacity of 5 liters. Why could the capacity of the same pot be 5,000 milliliters? We just talked about this. 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters. Circle the best estimate for each. 250 milliliters or 2 liters. It's a pretty small cup. 5 milliliters or 1 liter. Bottle of juice, 10 milliliters or 1 liter. Cereal bowl, 300 milliliters or 3 liters. Okay, on the bottom here, you estimate things down here. And if you do back the problems, which cooler has the greater capacity? Explain your thinking. List these containers in order from least capacity to greatest capacity. Next to each one, write liter or milliliter to show whether you would measure its capacity using liters and milliliters. Basketball team scores 27 points in its first game and 41 points in its second game. After 3 games, it scored 100 points in all. How many points did the team score in its third game? Becky wants to measure the capacity of her brother's wading pool. She has a 1 liter container and a 10 milliliter container. Which should she use and explain? A sand grouse can soak up water in its fluffy feathers. It can carry the water a long way to its chicks. Does a sand grouse carry 20 milliliters of water or 2 liters of water? It says a sand grouse can soak up enough water to fill a small perfume bottle. Gary is painting a small storage shed. He estimates that he can do the job with 1 can of paint. Which of the following is the best estimate of the total volume of a can of paint? Again, this is estimating liquid volume 14.4.